Hello, everybody. Praise be to God. So today, let's see an olden song, old golden song. Yeah, Evare Perumaan, மற்ற பேரளவே பூமான் அந்த song. So the song is in F major, and the beat is ballroom family. You can take cha 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 the beat. Yeah, um, or ramba or biguin. You can take these kind of beats. No, it matches nicely. So the beat goes like this. Very, 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 very simple. Within not less than a minute. Less than a minute, you can play the song. Yes. So that easy. So F major. No need to say the keys because you already know so many songs we played, and you've been practicing for a long time, right? Yeah. So the song goes starting with like it E note. Huh? It's kind of unusual. Normally the song, the melody, it starts with any of the three notes of the chord. Okay. Suppose the song is in F major means the song starts either F or A or C. But unusually sometimes it start like this. Then the stanza part starts like. Then in case if you are playing with the the sax or something, so how it so it goes like this. All right. So I told you right hand. I played for you both hands also. Now I'll show you the chords. Okay, chords how it goes. Hmm. So the beginning you are going to the F chord, no, for the people congregation. C7, the songs notes with the C7. F major, A minor, C, C7, F major. So, F major. F major, A minor, F major, A minor, D minor. It's D minor is optional. You can put F major also. Then C7. C7, C7. major. So if you play with the this type of rhythm, it comes like if you play it this way, it's nice also. Okay, so the rhythm ballroom group family cha 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 or rumba or the begin I told you tempo is around 90, 92, 94. Yeah, that range. All right, so do subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and like, comment on the notification, please. Yeah. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Take care.